This is the most important exhibition for aluminum, I would say, not only in Europe, worldwide. So here you have the whole supply chain, from upstream to downstream, from customers to suppliers of machines and equipment. So it's a very good opportunity to connect with the key industry players, and more important, to connect with customers that they are all visiting the fair. I think this fair is also an opportunity to showcase innovation, and in our case there is quite a few that we are showcasing here, especially at the awards section tonight, where we have probably 6 or 7 cases put forward on innovation. And innovation not only in products but in services and partnering with customers.
Great. What kind of customers are we talking about? What types of end markets?
We are talking about on our 3 major markets, but in this fair more specifically about auto and the specialities, where we have a lot of innovations, for example, to support the new Range Rover project, and we have 2 or 3, and also innovations related to buildings and facades, and we have probably 4 or 5 related to these markets. So also, you see the theme for our booth is sustainability, is our long-term aim of 80% recycling content. So we are also driving innovation in that area.
Great.
Most related to what kind of alloys and how we can develop a more friendly recycle alloys for our product.
My name is Wolf Binder. I'm working at the Göttingen plant since 25 years in the area of architecture. So we are very much involved with architects, designers, construction companies.
Good. So tell me about your interactions today at Aluminium 2012.
Although we are directly actually talking to architects and to designers, here we meet our partners from around the world. So that means we have distribution sales partners, agents, taking care of our products in different countries and areas, and they are coming here to meet us.
Great.
Talking about new projects, about new supplies, new products, etc.
How is the energy here?
Oh, it's great. It's really great. I was surprised with myself the first day of an exhibition and having a full stand, so you don't even find an empty chair. That's great.
Excellent. Thank you so much for talking with me.
Okay, welcome.
Hi, my name is Anna Gessman and I'm marketing specialist for Novelis Europe. I support the different value streams with marketing services, meaning everything from organizing events, conferences, doing the promotional material, doing brochures and all kinds of documents for the value streams of can, foil and automotive.
So you must have had a big role in putting this display together for Aluminium 2012.
Yes, that was my project to organize the booth here. So it was a very exciting project because for the first time for me since I joined Novelis, I was able to combine the different segments and work with all people together to have a general booth to present Novelis as one Novelis. So that was actually very exciting, and it's even more exciting to sit here and have the booth ready and get some positive feedback, and yeah, it's a good feeling.
Novelis has been nominated for an award, a European Aluminium 2012 award. Tell me about the innovation for Mercedes that we worked on.
This is an interesting field you are touching by putting the innovation subject on the automotive segment of our company. The product you are talking about is tailor welded blank, which is consisting about 3 different blanks with different dimensions, thicknesses, which we are welding together with a service partner. And it was interesting to see what was the original target of that product, which is now used in the new Mercedes SL, so which is a 100% full aluminum vehicle. And the original target was to go ahead with weight reduction, basically. But during the development process, we saw that there is another interesting aspect by improving the crash performance and putting, let's say, each of these thicknesses at the place where it's needed the best to get the overall performance out of this part in general.
Good.
So that was quite interesting to see how we have put more content into that product during the development phase, which we didn't have on the radar screen at the beginning of the development.
So not only is a lighter weight, it creates a lighter weight vehicle, but also the safety implications are even better.
Yeah. So you can put the material and the dimensions at the place you need it the best to get that overall requirement, because it's a tunnel part, so it's I would say a central part of the overall body in white, which has a big impact on the crash performance and on the safety in the second step, of course.
Yes, hi. I am Alex. I'm responsible as sales director for the specialties markets in Europe. Specialties is basically everything but can and automotive. So it's a variety of markets that we cover. A big portion of it is the architectural market that we support globally from our European facilities here. In addition, we do a lot of industrial end-user business, and it's basically a variety of applications, from the electronics to even automotive-related companies to windmills. We sell to general distribution. A lot of different markets and applications.
What are you hoping to accomplish today at Aluminium 2012?
At the show here, it really is a contact show that we're participating in here. You have to know we serve a lot of customers, and several hundreds of customers that we serve in Europe. And this show is really a 3-day event where we can connect with all of the major shareholders we have, from the customers, from other business partners that we have in the industry. It's really a great event, and you can see it from how busy it is at the stand here. Lots of good meetings and discussions, technical meetings, commercial meetings, everything. So it's really a great event for us. Very important because in the 3 days you get to connect with basically everybody in the industry. So it's really fantastic for us.